My name is Estefanía Benítez H. I am studying Adversity and Marketing in the Fundación Panamericana University. Today I introduce the food that I have in my fridge. Let's begin. Okay, in the fridge I have bag yogurt of 1,000 grams, and there is bag milk of 1,100 milliliters. There is a cage of bonjour, and this is cereal with yogurt. There are some pieces of cheese, and I have a jar of pineapple juice. There are 2 little bottles of Monster drink, and each bottle is 300 milliliters. In the back, there are some Mexican tortillas. Okay. In the second level, on the right side, there are some vegetables, and left side some fruits. Okay. In the fruits, there are a half papaya. There are some lemons. There is any apple. There is an orange, and there is a guava. In the vegetables, there are a little of coriander. There are some tomatoes, and there are some bananas in the back. There is a lot of lettuce. There is a piece of pumpkin, and there is a piece of carrot. This is a cup, and there are some potatoes. In the third level, there is a bag water of 6 liters. There is a bottle of soda, and there is a packet of frozen vegetables. There is a lot spinach, and there is a spaghetti dish, and there is a chicken snack. There are some celery and 1 broccoli, and there are 2 long onions. Okay, for this part I can find some bottles of liquor. There is of champagne and some wine, and others of beer. Okay, this part are some lemons, and this is a packet of cup bread. There are some slices, a lot of slices, that cheese and jam, a piece of tomatoes and onions, and there is a tin of sweet cup. Okay, this is my fries. Nice to meet you. Goodbye.